of cucumber. Okay, so do you remember we've used, Peter, point your finger on your magic circle. You're going to push down and pull back to get a piece of sail. Perfect. Now, if you don't get your sail right the first time, just keep peeling. Make another one. It doesn't matter. Now we're going to pop our sail onto our mast, like so. There is the sail of the boat. We're going to pop that onto the side of our boat. Now, we have to put some people into the boat. Who would you put into your boat? So I'm going to put in Ollie, Molly and Chuck, of course. And who else? Okay, Farmer Joe, I'll put you in as well. So that's 1, 2, 3, and Farmer Joe makes 4. And then, me, I'll put myself in. That's 5. So if you have some peas, guys, you can use your peas as little people. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then, the dog. The dog. There we go. So here we have our boat. Do you know any songs about boats?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merry, life is but a dream.
Isn't that a great song, boys and girls?